everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for an IPSY unboxing. This is for the month of May. Ooh, that's pretty. And everything fit inside this month. Really cute. It's a faux leather little makeup bag. And it says, "Get that glow. A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter. And bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing?" And it looks like there are, I don't know, interesting. Usually it tells you a little bit about each one. I don't know. There is a silky body butter, smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, pearlesce, coconut oil, and plumeria. I'm going to use this now because my hands are in awful shape. I would venture to say my hands are worse now than they were in the middle of the winter. Ooh, that does smell good. I don't smell coconut. I smell the plumeria. That's weird. I don't smell coconut at all. But it is nice. It feels good on my hands. My hands get sore right here, right here. Really dry patches. Still don't smell coconut, but I smell the plumeria. And I can still snap, so that's good. And then what is this? This is Fierce Flicks. By Ciate. I'm not sure. I'm sure I'm butchering it. C-I-A-T-E. It looks like eyeliner, but I'm really not sure. And it says not for resale, so this might be a sample size. But if it is, it's a large sample size because it's the size of a regular eyeliner. And I shouldn't have put the lotion on first, should I have? Well, what happened was, there we go. Yes, it is an eyeliner. Very nice. I'm sure it's black. Yes. Ooh. Did I just do that? Yes, I did. And this is an aloe gel sleeping mask. Very nice. Aloe gel sleeping mask contains aloe vera extract and minerals from the IPSY water that helps moisturize and nourish dry skin. So that'll be good to use. And what is this? Baked highlight powder from Estate. Do Me. D-E-W. Ooh, very pretty. Ooh, that's a nice highlight. And it's in the color Bye. That's pretty funny. Bye. And then this one is Auto Balm Day to Night Shadows on the Go from the Balm. Their packaging is always really cute. For girls on the go, Lombard Street. Ooh, that's pretty. Very nice. Ooh, I like everything in this box this time. Very, very nice. Yay, me. Sorry, Kate, you don't get anything this time. But it is wonderful. I'm loving it. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys try it. This is an IPSY subscription. I didn't even say. I am so sorry. This is an IPSY subscription where every month you get 5 sample size products. Most of the time they're sample size. Sometimes they're real size. I think these two are definitely real size. And you pay $10 a month. And like I said, it's a subscription. It comes right to my door. And it's awfully fun. So I hope that you guys try it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.